all our systems, our banking systems, our political systems are patriarchal in nature, and they continue to hold women back. And financing still remains one of those biggest issues, although it's not the only one. So if we have, for example, more women in public office who are able to create systems and create policies that allow more women to have access to financing, for example, either for their education or their businesses or entrepreneurial activities, we can have a greater emancipation of women that are able to take care of their needs and that of their dependents, particularly children in this case, as it is in most countries. So with that enabling environment, it becomes easier for women to actually understand the needs of other women and actually contribute to changing systems that might not take a few years to overturn. But I think the beginning of women being in those spaces is the beginning of those systems getting their time run out. Let us look at public health, for example. Laws related to maternity leave, for example, laws related and policies related to teenage girls who are pregnant and having an access to education. If more and more women actually become part of political offices and positions of decision making, they're able to influence the change and actively change policies that continue to be barriers to the development of women's lives, but also their development to self-actualize. And I think that trickles down to everything. How female judges, for example, are able to then become more elaborate in the work that they do, more female prosecutors, more female CEOs, all of that will trickle down to those sectors and areas. And I think that's why representation is important and why it's important to empower more women to take up those spaces in public office and political decision-making positions so that they're able to overturn patriarchal systems that continue to hold women back.